TB10 installation operation. Check if the accessories are complete after unpacking. Install the warm air duct. Open the duct. Place the clamp at the pipe opening. Place it at the air outlet. Tighten the clamp. Fix the heater pipe in this position. Install the exhaust pipe and its accessories. Straighten the exhaust pipe. Put on the heat insulating cloth. And fix it with 2 small clamps. Tighten the screws of the clamp to fix. Put the other end into the clamp and tighten the screws to fix it. Put a clamp on the top of the exhaust pipe. Screw the installed exhaust pipe into the left interface. Tighten the clamp at the interface. Install the muffler. Put a clamp on the other end of the exhaust pipe and install the silencer. Tighten the clamp. Connect the power adapter to power. Plug the plug into the power strip. At this time, the power adapter is green. Insert the plug into the socket below the air outlet. The switch is powered on successfully. Long press the power button to turn it on. It can be used normally after turning on. Use the terminal block method. Connect the positive and negative copper rings. Connect the positive and negative poles of the battery. Insert the plug into the socket below the air outlet. Make sure to use the voltage stated in the product. Switch power on. Long press the power button to turn it on. It can be used normally after turning on.